Hello everybody, my name is Paul McKeever, and this is my new guitar build. Alright, so we're going to put in a ground wire today. From the claw here, and there's a little tag at the back, I'll show you in a second, where you can attach a wire. And it's going to run through a hole that's almost imperceptible, but is there in the Warmoth body. This is the spring for the bottom half of the guitar, and the hole is right about there, so about 1.5 inches from the back of the whammy bar cavity. So it runs right along the base. And you can stick a wire through there. Put it right here so maybe you can see it come out. It's going to come out right above the pot. I'll get the pliers, I can pull it through a bit easier. And there we go. So that wire is going to attach right here. Oh, there go my glasses. It's going to attach right here. We had one wire, or two wires from the output jack that plugged in here and here, and the ground plugs in where the third screw is. It doesn't plug in, but it's pinched by that screw mechanism. So I'm going to leave that. It's probably enough. I'll leave myself a little bit of play. And give ourselves some room on both ends. This wire can go under the claw, like so. And I think I can loosen the screw to which the ground wire is supposed to be attached. Not small enough. Ah, there we go. So that's the, I don't know if you can see that little taggy right there, but that's our ground connection, or place where the ground's going to connect. So I'm going to cut this wire just a bit shorter. Strip the end off a bit. This is just plain copper wire, you can see. And until I can find where I've placed my soldering iron, I'm just going to wrap it around the hole that's provided in the little attachment area right there. You can see it, there's an eye hole. And as I say, I'll solder that subsequently, but for now, it's in there pretty good. It's out of the way of the springs. Just have to take the end off this one. And as I say, it screws in to the circuit board. It'll go into this third hole here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you can see those silver those 3 silver pieces right there. The ground's going to go in there, and then the screw on top will tighten to hold it in place. Just double check that it's pinched. Yes, good. So that whole mechanism can go right back in. This is the 5-way selector. It's connected to this whole circuitry. And I'll turn it back over and tighten the 5-way selector. So to get it centered. There we go. You can feel it if you have your hand on the circuit underneath, you can feel it when the metal hole lines up with the screw here. Okay. And now that that's back on, we can put the cap back on. Okay, we're good to go.